channel. So here we are discussing the question chess pairing on Codechef. So the problem states that you are hosting a chess tournament with 2n people. Exactly x of them are rated players and remaining 2n minus are unrated players. The job is to distribute the players into n pairs where every player plays against the person paired up with them. Since you want the rated players to have an advantage, you want to pair them with unrated players. Thus, you want to minimize the number of rated players whose opponent is also rated. Print the number of rated players whose opponents are also rated among all possible pairings. So you have three test cases and two separated integers n and x, where n denotes the half number of players, means we have 2n players, and x of them are rated. So we need to output the minimum number of rated players who will have rated opponents. So in the first case, first we are looking at the example. So in the first case, what we have, 0 rated players. So if we have 0 rated players, then no match of rated players will be there, hence 0. Now we have 1 rated player. So if we have 1 rated player and n is 1, which means we have 2 players because our players are 2 into n. So we have 2 players and 1 is rated. So 1 will be definitely unrated. So it will form rated, unrated. Hence output would be 0 because no rated player is there. Now we have 2 rated players. In case of 2 rated players, let the 2 rated players be R1 and R2. So it will be R1, R2, and the next pair would be R2, R1. So these two pairs are made for rated pairs. Now we have 4, 4 means we have total 8 pairs, 4 are rated. So that means if 4 are rated, 4 are 100. In this case, we have equal number of rated and unrated pairs. So 1, 1 can be mapped to each. Like R1 can be mapped to rated 1, R2 can be mapped to unrated 2, and so on till R4 being mapped to unrated 4. So we have rated unrated pair, and hence no rated pair is there because we want to find the minimum number. So answer is 0. In case of 4, 6, now in case of 4, 6, we have 2 more rated players extra. So we have R5, R6 as well. So in case we have R5, R6, we have 2 extra players, and hence we have pairings possible. So now let's look at this, how we can visualize this and write the code. First of all, what we need to do is we need to find the number of unrated, that is directly 2n minus x. After finding 2n minus x, we get the number of unrated players. Now what's the difference between rated player and unrated player? So let this be y. So you do x minus y. This is the difference between the rated and unrated player. Now if let the difference be d. So if our d is greater than 0, then we just return d. If or else we will return 0 in this case. Because if difference less than equal to 0, we have more number of unrated or equal number of unrated players, which would not lead to the situation of pairing the rated. So this would be our approach, and as you can see, this is the correct answer. So I hope you all understand the solution. Thanks for watching.